Welcome back to Life and Fork. On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make a tomatillo salsa with a little secret ingredient that I like to add to mine. So stay tuned.
Take me in the smoke, breathe me in and let me go. Filling the lumps inside you, and the blackened eyes make my way into your mind. Just to know what you knew. Restless every time we start locking.
Alright, to start off with the salsa, what we're going to do is take our tomatillos. They've already been peeled, so it makes it easy. I'm going to split it in 4. I'm going to put it in my pot. For this recipe, I'm only going to use 3, which should give me about almost a quart. Next, I'm going to take a Spanish onion. I'm going to peel the onion by taking off both ends. Makes it easy. And then all I do is just peel off the top layer. Discard that. Cut it in 4 also. I got a bunch of cilantro. What I'm going to do is just take 1 handful, throw it right in. 1 jalapeno. You can add more. I don't like my food too spicy, so I'm just going to add 1. I'm going to take off the stem. I'm going to leave the seeds in to give it the little spice. Throw that in. And then that's it. I'm going to add water halfway, bring it to a boil. After all your ingredients have boiled out, and by boiling out I mean just come to a boil, it's time to blend. You don't want to cook it too long because it will change the color. You still want that nice green color. So what I'm going to do now is get my Vitamix ready. I'm going to use a slotted spoon because I don't want all the liquid, because I need to judge how thick I want it. So then what I'm going to do, very carefully without burning myself, put the ingredients in the Vitamix. After all the ingredients have been put in, I'm going to put only 4 ounces of the liquid to start. The tomatoes have a lot of liquid in them themselves, so you don't want to add too much. I'm going to set it on. I'm going to start at speed 1. Now it's time to season it. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of salt to start. So I just measure with my hand. Blend it back together. Now we're going to taste for salt. Perfect. Now for the secret ingredient. To add a little texture and also a little good fat to the tomatillo salsa, I add 1 avocado. So I'm going to grab my avocado, split it down the middle, like you've seen me do in so many videos by now. Take the seed out. Use the same spoon I used to taste it, to scoop it in. Make sure you get all the avocado. Avocados are not cheap at all right now. So So make sure you get a nice, ripe, green avocado.
It's by accident.
Look at the texture that the avocado adds to the green tomatillo sauce. And there you go. So you see how easy it is to make a tomatillo salsa in your house. Of course, you already see me make a regular tomato salsa. Now this is a green tomatillo infused with a little avocado. This is good for chips, dips, and stuff like that. And also for burgers and like the Southwest burger I showed you last week. So this is just an easy little salsa you can make at home. You saw how easy it is, how simple, how cheap it is actually. It's only a couple ingredients. Hopefully you guys like this. As always, stay tuned to next week for a new video. Love you guys. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ring that bell so you don't lose a chance to see a future video. Love you guys. Bye.